Hi there. It's Hank Carr from Fork and Cleaver Farm again. This is the maple syrup machine room. It's kind of a mess right now because we're in spring cleanup mode, but I wanted to show you something interesting. So if you've watched my other videos, you've seen this machine that we call the machine. This is the vacuum releaser that lets us get the sap out of the vacuum and process it. And I did a video with the end off because it's got this opaque PVC end on it, so you can't see what's going on. So I was ordering plastic for Anita's greenhouse. Anita's greenhouse is out here. We're in the sugar shack right now. This is the cover where the freezers are, so you can see Anita's little greenhouses over there. So I was ordering plastic for this guy here, and I thought, what the heck? Maybe we could do better. So I had them do this. Can you see that? Oh yeah. So what that is that's a piece of 1/2-inch clear polycarbonate, also known as Lexan, also known as bulletproof glass, or at least one of the major components in bulletproof glass. So my plan is to yoink that solid end off and replace it with this clear end so that we'll be able to see into the machine. So hang on and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, there it is. I've taken off the solid end and I've put on the clear end. I hope you're ready for the sexiness that you're about to experience. Check that out. You know what's coming next, right? Is a video of this beast running so that you can actually see the floats working and see the sap going in and out. Well, actually it'll be cleaning fluid, but there you go. I've got a clear end on the machine. Now we can see what the heck is going on inside.